Hi friends, welcome to Tech Arkit YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see 20 best tutorials to learn AWS Cloud Practitioner for free. So you no need to spend even one penny or single rupee to learn and certify AWS Practitioner. So I'm going to give you the all the websites details and URLs um, in this session, so you can just go to those URLs and use them, and those are completely free, so you no need to even spend a single rupee on that. So as today you see that evolving technologies landscape, it is essential to keep ourselves updated with the latest skills and knowledge. One such a area that gained a lot of trend in recent times, AWS cloud computing, and in particular Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the leading providers of cloud computing services and gaining proficiency in its various offerings in a excellent way to advance one's career in the field technology. This is an end and pleasure to share with you today a comprehensive list of 20 best tutorial to learn AWS Cloud Practitioner for free. So these tutorials are designed to provide a solid foundation in AWS Practitioner, AWS Computing, and AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. So they cover a wide range of topics, including the basics of AWS services, and their functionalities, and the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So you don't need to spend even 16,000 or 18,000 or 13,000 for the course in Indian rupees. So you can just learn simply completely free resources here. Let's see that. So see this video until the end. You can get all the resources what you required. So that you can, whatever the resource you would like to go, you can just choose from it. So the first one is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLFC01 complete course uh, playlist. So this is a YouTube playlist which contains all the videos, which are almost a 50 videos contains of everything for you. So you can just see that these videos and you can practice them, and there are some exam questionnaires also available on this the flashcards, so you can also practice them before you go to the examination. For sure you can certify using this playlist at the first attempt. The next one, so there are some articles so which required for the cloud practitioner to go ahead on that. So one is that https arkit.co.in categories AWS. So if you go to this category, you can see that there are a lot of articles and posts where you can see them to learn for the AWS practitioner particularly. So the next one is this is a GitHub page where Amazon Web Services AWS guide, which is a very useful tutorials. Is not only for the cloud practitioner, but whatever the service you wanted to know, you wanted to browse the resources. So there are a plenty of guides or plenty of the links available on this GitHub page. Go ahead and book this and bookmark this page, so that you will get a plenty of AWS guide, whatever the area you are working, not only for the cloud practitioner, so that it has a plenty of resources on that page. So the next one is AWS Moi is a free website to practice the exam. So this is just, you just go ahead and log into the website. First time you have to register with your email address, then go to awsboy.com and AWS practice exam. So this is not only AWS practitioner exam, but it also has the so many other certifications for free. So you don't need to even subscribe or provide any credit card, anything. You just go to the website and look for this URL. So there are plenty of examinations are available. How many times you want to practice, you can practice it for free. So there is no even single rupee you need to pay for that. You just, you know, need to only register to the examination. the website. So the next one is free AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner 2019. This is an Udemy course. So example, you just register the Udemy, but you did not buy any courses on that. You just go ahead and look for this certification. So this is completely free video course available on the Udemy. You don't need to even spend anything on this. This is completely free course. So the next one is AWS, the Amazon Web Services Zero to Hero. So this is the course name again on the Udemy. So if you go to the udemy.com course, Amazon Web Services dash AWS dash V. So this is the course. It is completely free. No need to even spend a single rupee on that. So it's a completely free resource. So you can just go ahead and look that. Um, AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials by Amazon Web Services. So there is AWS itself provides a website called skillbuilder.aws, which is a freely available tutorial on the AWS website itself. The AWS professional itself teach this course. So you can just go to the explore.skillbuilder.aws. You can use your Amazon account to log in. Then you can explore the courses. There are so many other courses are free for that. But if you want to particularly learn AWS Cloud Practitioner, this is the URL. You can go ahead and learn that. One more thing is that introduction to the AWS by EDX. So EDX is the one website where they provide a multiple tutorials, but this course is completely free. So you just need to sign in fast, and you can just go to click on this URL like learning.edx.org/course and the course version 1 AWS. This is the practitioner course. Next one is AWS Technical Essentials by Amazon Web Services. Again, this is going to be on the Skill Builder website. If you go to this, and the course name is 1851, the AWS Technical Essentials. So this provides the AWS Technical Essentials, which is very much required covered topics for the cloud practitioner examination. AWS certified cloud practitioner learning path by a cloud guru. So this is also a completely a free course. So most of the people think that the cloud guru is completely registered and you have to pay the course, but there are so many other free courses available on the cloud guru as well. If you go to the learn.a cloud guru courses, AWS essentials, and intro to the AWS. So this is also provide a almost 21 hours of video tutorial for the beginners to learn the AWS. AWS Fundamentals Going Cloud Native by Coursera. So if you go to the coursera.org specialization on AWS fundamentals, so this is the one of the course where they provide a completely cloud practitioner guide, the fundamentals which is required for the AWS. The next one is AWS Cloud Practitioner Practice Questions and Answers. If you go to this Kanani rav.com practice slash exam slash exams.html. So this has almost 12 examination practices, which is completely free. So you don't need to sign up for this site. You just click on this HTML page and straightforwardly start thinking and practicing on these questions and answers for your examination. The next one is Cloud Academy course. So this is basically a Linux Academy before, but this was migrated as a Cloud Academy. Cloudacademy.com learning paths, Cloud Academy, Cloud Practitioner certification, preparation for AWS 180. So this is completely free course. So you just need to log into the site, sign up for the site, and you can access this website, and completely this course is free for you. AWS Power Hour. So this is a one of the best tutorial on this stitch.com. So that is stitch.tv. So this if you go to the pages.awscloud.com, so it has plenty of resources, so plenty of video sessions, practical sessions, and the live demo sessions on this page. So you can look for them and learn the AWS completely free. So even you don't need to sign up for this website, you just go and browse that and you can access them. Um, this is one is the website from the git.io. So learn.cantril.io courses, AWS Cloud Sysop Administration Associate. So there are so many lectures, free and demos are also available on this website. So this no need to even sign up for this. You just go to this particular URL and look for that. There are so many free tutorials available and the certification practices also available. If you want to take any professional course also, there are some paid course also available on this website. Um, for the practice examinations, if you want to go to the campus.datacamp.com, so there are some practice examinations also available on this website. You can go ahead and do that. So other than these, there are so many others ones which are actually paid, not freely available, but they has plenty of resources for the exam practitioner, the cloud practitioner, the guides and all. So if you go to the tutorials dojo, like tutorials dojo, DOJO, this also has plenty of resources. And Exam Pro is one of the website. It has plenty of exam practice guides for you, and plural site plural site is one of the website, but it does not free, so you have to opt for an provide an a credit card and sign up for that. So that also has a plenty of good resources for the learning. So these are all the websites. Some of them are I listed as a free ones, but some of them are also free. Paid ones are there, but I did not listed them here for the paid ones. So if you like this video, these resources are very helpful. Just provide the comment, the feedback of yours. Press the like button so that we'll try to help you in more videos, providing them more videos. And if you think that these resources are helpful to your friends and family members, just click on the share and video share to your friends and family members so that they can also get benefited by these resources. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos and courses.